Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to PayPal balance. Can you add a Visa card to your PayPal balance? Not directly, but here's what you can do. First, link the Visa card to your PayPal account. Log in to PayPal, go to Wallet, tap Link a card or bank, then tap Link a card. Enter your gift card details like number, expiry, and CVV. Make sure the gift card has a billing address registered on the card issuer's site. Once linked, you can use the gift card for purchases or sending money via PayPal. If the recipient accepts the payment, the money gets added to their PayPal balance, not yours. Reminder, make sure the gift card is activated and has a balance. Some gift cards may not work with certain merchants. So, while you can't directly load the gift card to your PayPal balance, you can still use it through PayPal. And that's it. That's how to add a Visa card to PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.